Nothing dresses up an outfit quite like earrings. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own genuine cork earrings. All right, let's get started. The first thing you will need to make your earrings with the Cricut is a SVG. Now if you don't have a Cricut, you could always find an SVG online and print it out and use it as a template to cut the cork by hand. I wanted to show you 3 places I usually use to find an SVG. The first is Cricut Design Space. If you're subscribed to Cricut Access, as you know, there's always thousands of images available, including earrings. So I'm going to go to the search bar and type in earrings. As you can see, there's some options that pop up. You kind of have to scroll down. Here's some options right here. Now, if you don't have Cricut Access or you're just looking for more variety, I want to show you 2 other places to look. One is Etsy and the other is Design Bundle. If you have a favorite site you like to use, please comment down below because I'm always looking for new SVGs. All right, the next site we're going to look at is Etsy. So up here in the search bar, I typed in earring SVG and about 40,000 results came up. So Etsy is definitely a great site to find SVGs. The last site I wanted to show you is Design Bundle. The nice thing about this site is the SVGs include a premium license, so you could use the SVGs commercially for your jewelry shop. One thing though is I always make sure to read the fine print on each listing because I have seen some that say for personal use only. And there's also a link where you can read more about the license. When I'm on Design Bundle, the first thing I like to do is check the free designs. So I'm going to go over here to free designs. So I did find an SVG bundle that is free. I think it was on page 3. It's right up here. You get this whole bundle for free. But if there isn't anything that you like, you could go up to the search bar and type in earrings. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll through these until I find a bundle that I'd like to purchase. And then I'll show you how to upload the SVG to Design Space. Once you have downloaded your SVG, you will want to open up Design Space. Then click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Now the nice thing about all the SVGs I just purchased, they're under the one folder, so that makes it easy to find one that you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and rename it. Hit Save. And now it's all ready to upload to my blank canvas. Now the first thing I like to do is resize it. I personally like the 2.25 size. And then hit Duplicate. All right, now I'm ready to make a pair of earrings. So I'm going to hit Make It. And then material size, I'm going to put 4x6. And the mirror, it doesn't need to be turned on for this, and just the one copy is fine. So I will hit Continue. The cork I'm using is 0.8 millimeters thick. So the shimmer leather for the 1 millimeter, it works great. If you don't have that starred already, you could go over to Browse All Materials and type it in the search bar. Then I will be using the fine point blade with the pressure to default. All right, let's make some earrings. Now I'm ready to put my cork down on the standard grip mat. And the first time I ever cut the cork, I ended up putting the print face side down, and that damaged the cork. So I always make sure to put the print facing up. And then I'm going to make sure it's secure to my mat. So I'm using the sprayer tool. I'm just checking my fine point blade. Then I'll go ahead and load that into my Cricut. And make sure that your star wheels are moved all the way over to the right. And then you can load your mat. Once the light starts to flash, you're ready to cut. I'm going to pull up the corner to make sure it cut all the way through. And it did, so I will hit the unload button. This SVG I was using, it had a hole up here for the ball hook, but the blade didn't really cut through there. So on this one, I used a 2mm hole punch. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same to this side. I am using a beadsmith hole punch and I have it set to 2mm. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the little mark that was left from the blade and punch my hole. The last step to making our cork earrings is applying a hook. So I'm going to use these 14 karat gold plated ball hooks, and you just slide the point right through the hole and pull up, and then I like to pinch the ball side into the wire. So I'll do the same on the other side. Slide it through and up and then pinch. All right, and now you've made a pair of cork earrings.